Hey, this is Shiraz, and before we get started, I just want to let you know that when I clear something for someone, when I cause a shift, I tend to yawn and cough from the energetic shift that happens. I don't know why it happens. It's just how my body works. And if you don't know that, you're going to listen to this video and go, what the hell is wrong with this guy? You might still think that, but now there's more of an explanation. The other thing to keep in mind is that if you hear something that you can absolutely relate to, when I cleared for them, you can get it cleared for you too. Just say yes when they're saying yes, and it works. I have people that watch these videos every morning to get stuff cleared. This can be your new morning habit too. Okay, that's enough for that. Let's get on with the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get a great shift out of it. See you soon.
So I'm watching a story that's going on around me. My mom, my dad, my aunt, my stepfather, my grandmother, my grandfather, they've all had businesses and they've all succeeded. And I'm working and I have a bit of a business going, but it's not making as much money as I'd like it to. And I have other options of other businesses, and I'm not making them go when I know they could be more money makers for me. And
Okay.
I'm just stuck.
Okay. Do you want to have a successful business?
Yes.
That's not coming up true. Those people around you with successful businesses, what do you think of them?
Good thoughts and bad thoughts.
Okay. What are the bad thoughts?
Criticizing, pushy,
Mhm.
and if I can do it, anybody can do it.
Okay. So if you have a successful business, will you become like them?
Probably already am like them.
Okay. So are you trying to make sure your business doesn't become really successful so you don't become more like them?
Probably.
Yep, it's coming up true. So are you willing to step out of the story that you have to make sure you don't have a successful business so you don't become like them? Ow.
Yeah, like that's weird.
Okay, so let's go a little more general. Are you willing to step out of the story that anyone that creates a successful business becomes like them?
Yes. A thought just popped in my head.
Mhm.
When my parents, because my parents are quite comfortable, when they decide they don't want something anymore, they'll call me saying, do I want it?
Yeah.
If I choose to take it, I do. If I don't, I don't.
Okay.
But then I don't have to work to
Okay.
have better things because it's given to me.
Okay. So would you rather just have things given to you than have to work?
Yeah,
Okay.
I know. Yes. No, no, I like having where I can do it myself.
Okay. Is what's being given to you enough?
No.
Yeah. So this is the issue, is that it's easy, but you can't have all the things you want because they're in control of finances and how much they want to give to you.
Yeah.
So are you willing to step out of the story that it's better to leave things the way they are because it's easier to just get things?
Yes.
Okay. And truth, the more money you want to make, the harder you have to work.
That came up. Yes.
Yeah. So are you willing to step out of the story that the more money you want to make, the harder you're going to have to work?
Yes. Okay, just so you know, I have no lights on in this room.
You have no lights on, so it's just
Yeah,
sunlight.
no light, and it keeps the screen keeps flickering.
Okay,
That's pretty
cool.
cool.
All right.
I'm feeling resistance around the card that was given.
Okay. It's interesting because you want to receive things, but do you have to earn everything you're given?
Yes.
Okay. Are you willing to destroy that belief?
Yes.
There's some resistance there.
Oh, I know why.
Okay. Whose story is that you have to earn everything you're given?
My story, because I watched my aunt be given everything she wanted, and she's just not worked. Well, I guess she has worked for it, but in my eyes, she didn't.
Okay. So what's wrong with that?
I want that story.
You want that story. Okay.
But I don't want to be like her.
Okay. You want the story, but at the same time, you don't want to be like her. Okay.
Well, I want that, but I don't want to be how she is.
Okay. So if things are given to you, will you become like she is?
No.
Okay, that's not coming up true. So are you willing to step out of the story that if things are just given to you, you'll become just like she is?
Yes.
Remember, if you want to create this new reality, you want to be able to receive whatever, but also work for whatever. Oh, we have enough time. It's going to take like 5-10 minutes. Okay. Okay. So be open to all the possibilities, all the stuff you're going to receive, and all the stuff you're going to work to receive. And you're entitled to all of it. The belief that you have to earn something, I mean, it's nice to do it, but you take a look at a baby's just there and they get presents. They haven't earned those presents. They haven't worked their asses off to get those presents, right? So you're still entitled to have things given to you as gifts, and you just have to be willing to receive it. But you can also create things in your life and earn them. But there's that just the satisfaction of building your business and creating accomplishments. So are you willing to step out of the story that you have to earn everything you're given?
Yes.
Okay, how's that feel?
Really spinny. And the word Karens came up to me.
Parents. Okay. Are you trying not to be like your parents?
Am I trying not to be like a Karen?
Oh, Karen. Is that what you said?
Yeah, Karen.
Okay. All right. So are you willing to receive? Oh, you're religious. Are you willing to destroy the belief that if you receive without earning it, you're becoming a Karen?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So now to be clear, it would be wonderful to have your own business and to work at it hard some days, not so hard some other days, but build something and have it great, but also just be willing to receive. Okay,
That feels lighter.
good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like. And if you had a shift of your own, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, check out the description for energetic magic events that you can attend every single month. Be well, be aware, and be magical.